We're here with Jabari Bird, Cal basketball team, practicing about a week now. And Jabari, I understand you spent a good amount of time here in the Cal weight room. Talk about what you did and how you think it's going to benefit you this basketball season.
Basically, I spent a lot of time in the sun with Coach Nate, getting my body right, getting stronger and faster, and it's really benefiting with me on the court, and I see the improvement.
So how does it help you to feel stronger when you're on the court? What does that do for you?
It gives me more confidence. I can take more contact and be more physical out there.
You expect to be a different player as a result?
Definitely.
In what ways will we see the difference?
Probably just going to the rim, being stronger, finishing with contact.
Terrific. All right, thanks.